people cry why? You can't make nobody ball, nobody look like cry. Are you alone a ball in here? Are you alone a ball in here? Nobody not a ball in here. You pay nobody for ball?
TV, they palm me mine. Can't complain, experience divine. Real king to the throne and a little boy thing. Yeah, nah boss, no man, cause him have him own sitting. Ambitious man, always have a plan. Cause him understand she's a real woman. Carry a real go get it in any way that no baby go get the cheddar. Similar TV, yeah. Similar TV, yeah. Similar.
Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. I hope you're having a blessed day, and remember to put God first in everything that you do. Give him the driver's seat of your life. So guys, right now I'm doing the on the road. I'm going to the post office, gonna mail off some packages, and me in the car. I'm not sure how much purses is in the post office, so I'm gonna know how long I'm gonna take. Somebody decide, you know what, make a prank him. So wanna stay tuned for that. But if you are watching this right now and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. Hit the notification bell so you could be notified whenever we drop a video, and please remember to share out the video, like and leave a comment, guys. And thank you guys for your support, and big up on a nice clean self as always. Big up. Guys, me I wait on him. Me I go and read my book till him come back, so I'm gonna just stay tuned, alright? Guys, him finally I come. And guys, this is only a prank, alright?
Yo, me say the man in there is just the worst, and him can't change him. Yo, me say the man are just the worst, me I tell you, yo.
So what happened?
I go in there and ask the man feel large box him, and I'm alone in there and just a move like, you know what, I don't care. Man I move like him not care, yo. And him say him alone in them. No work fast, man.
You don't get the box then?
Man I get the box them. The box in it.
I say look how the bird them shit up the people them place right there. So I come out of the car, I go in there, and I say a beer bird do depend on something. I just eat bird.
You eat wild bird.
Me eat every bird doing. Me I tell you the truth, doing all the bird where you have there. Make my skin crawl. Me don't know why you want it in the house there, so bird a species.
But after the bird in the house.
Doing bird is a species where for live outside doing. Me don't know you need to get rid of that bird out there. And me don't want it give me no germs. Give a bird flu and them things there. You don't know nothing about the bird, but you can take out bird.
No, go lick down the pit. Wait no lady in the sea pit them across. What happened to that woman there? Kerry, stop make problem with the little bird. Stop make problem with the little bird, okay?
Do we in the sea, you know smell the bird? I mean I don't have nose that smell the bird.
What happened with the bird? Like some little find something so Kerry, I'll do a clean. What the problem with the bird? Left a bird, man.
The bird doing, me I tell you the truth, doing it just make me
Kerry left a bird, where the bird are crawling skin for.
The garage.
Why?
They put me out of the garage, but I don't like the bird. I don't like it.
Kerry, this is selfishness at its best. Yeah, man, when time I go back, me not give nobody else the man bird. When I go back and New Year, I care about the bird.
Let the bird fly away and go spot it the other species there of its kind. They know the bird just annoying them and carry. Every minute a me and I'm owner. So him I call my name for.
Kerry, so don't know any name, I say me I care about the bird. Don't know no?
Let go the bird.
Kerry, you can't tell me when fella, you can't tell me fella go a bird. You can't tell me for Lego which bird.
Let it go.
Let go which bird?
Let it fly. Let go the bird.
You're big and selfish, B. Remember, I never want a dog in my house, B. Right now, I be a year, I fly all about in my house. I never yet hear me complain about your dog. I take care of the dog, like, I love the dog. What wrong with you? I try to do everything for please you, B. Now, me have my little bird here, come tell me about me can't have the bird in there. You know, no compassion, B. You know, compassionate.
What compassion coming at this? For me to like something do it?
We buying a like, so where bud dear? Where the blast the bud dear? Where bud dear? I walk and take up, me never yet fair walk and pick up shit, and me just a walk and pick up Toby shit. No pick up shit but me. Me can't even eat my food in peace. I mean, I make it be a problem, B. Me love up the dog, B. Me never born and grow with dog. I live in a me house.
You never born and grow with dog? Every other Jamaica have dog.
Me not have no dog, we live in a me house.
You ever
Me my wish wasn't for a dog.
People live with birds in them house.
Oh, you mean? Who? My wish wasn't for have a dog. You think my dream, I want to have a dog live in my house? No. I only compromise because you want the dog.
So you compromise me for compromise.
No, I don't care what you want to do. You know, if you have no comprehension, then you know what the shit you gonna do. You can't pick up that from 5 street. You have to burn with it.
Me dog, everybody make uncomfortable. Toby uncomfortable, him can't go in the garage.
Toby uncomfortable what? Toby love the bird. Toby want to play the bird more than enter, but him don't know if the bird are going to pick him, yes or no. Just humble and carry done them, I don't want to argue.
Me not doing it, you want to argue, you notice all my voice off?
Yeah, boy, you come talk about Lego the bird. What me I Lego the bird for? Me look like Lali? Tell man about Lego the bird. Lord the bird be, make the bird live be. The bird nah do nothing. Nothing the bird nah do.
Stop in here so make me drop off or something.
Nothing the bird nah do. The bird nah do nothing to be.
You love pick up things from your head too much. You don't know nothing where the bird have the bird around my baby and them some doing there for put them things in a consideration. You should have
Kerry, where the bird for have?
Flu. You ever hear about bird flu?
Kerry, humble yourself, man. Just humble yourself, man, and love me and my body. Love me and my body. Because I never want a dog in my house and see it. At first, I never like it, be, and I make sure I give me work with it because
see that you have to come right just to come vaccinate the bird then. Get a vaccination for your pet. Pet shop Sunday.
So I not carry my pet, so I not carry my pet go vet. I not go carry him go vet. I think so I go make my bud there, just sit down so like my bud an idiot. I carry my bud go vet be. Just low off of the bud be.
You keep on bud with no bird. How the country would they do in a town?
Carry humble yourself if you know a good for you because this is what we're going to do. Where are the inners? So pick up something right there, so?
No, me I drop off this box here.
So you don't have to come out and give me it? Just drop it, I go drop it off.
Make sure it's at a UPS grounded.
So no, a UPS here, me I go put it.
Guys, I have trouble doing an in body. Doing say body. Must country with it. Watch me and him. Yeah, go on like say me a check. Yeah. And that me I tell him say bird no live in a house.
What do you mean by bird? Kerry, how you talk to come tell him about bird? That bird here live in a house. That bird here live in a garage. Him don't live in the house. The bird live in the garage. Where you want me to put him?
And that come in like say I put him, I put me out of my own place. That me I talk about. I never see something make me uncomfortable so in my life. I just feel like for pop off the bird neck. I just make Toby bite it off. Easier.
Are you for bite off him neck? Where you no bite off him neck? You bite off him neck. Can anybody where I tell can't come take out the bird? Nobody can come take my bird out of me house. You think so me an idiot?
Are you in my call? Nobody of course, mommy. I know nobody else.
After the mummy there on the
I'm
phone.
me there on the phone.
But mummy can't come take my bird out of my house. Yeah, I make you see that mummy can't come take out the bird out of my house. I'm my bird. I know your bird.
Yeah. Alright, mummy, later. Yeah.
Me can't have nothing in that place of my comfort. Why? Why? You move like you're a landlord. You're a landlord.
Me shut up my mouth because if I start talk, people cry.
People cry why? You can't make nobody ball. Nobody look like cry. Are you alone a ball in here? Are you alone a ball in here? Nobody not ball in here. You pay nobody for ball? But start ball. Just make sure you don't hurt my bird. That's all me I tell you. Make sure you don't hurt my bird. Cause me do everything for make you feel comfortable, be. Because me myself uncomfortable for make you comfortable.
So me if I do the same.
So, no, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do the same. You're big and selfish. You just come.
You do it, me.
Carry, go on and look. Yeah. You're damn right. After no one-way streak where I walk on, a two-way streak up and down. You make it seem like a one-way streak and a one-way relationship. This how we man. Leave my bud alone, be. Make the bud live, be. The bud finally have a home where the bud ain't in a while. The bud no born in a while.
The bird born in a home.
Yes, so why you want him to let go in a while? Why you want him to let go in a while?
Him stay in the home when born in.
Yeah, but why do you want him to let go in the while? And him born in a home, him born in a while? That will just show you how you be. That will just show you crab it. No, and that I said just go touch my bird and see who a Dan Gargan. Let me see who a Dan Gargan skin teeth.
Alright, let me show you.
Let me see.
Gold teeth, Dan Gargan.
I know gold teeth.
My gun pa my teeth.
Gun pan your teeth. You really have your gun pan your teeth. You better make sure you say not touch my bird. That me I tell you, any day you touch my bird, my leg go Toby too.
This Toby will come back home.
You don't worry yourself. You don't worry yourself.
They must say for earth animal at prison time.
So my bird and an animal.
No, me I let him go.
My bird and an animal.
Me I let him go.
Me I go see me I go let go Toby.
Me I let go Toby come right back home. Toby have a tag on him with him address.
No worry yourself, man. Me I go tag my bird. Me I bring my bird go a vet. I make them put a tag on him. Cause my bird a tame bird. My bird a no wild bud. My bird tame. See I shoulder my bird walk on her head. Very low, mama, not easy. Say if you're too selfish, be.
Yeah.
Every minute you talk about the dog shit stink of the dog and shit up the whole of the back of me yard. Make you ever go around them, make you ever sell them around, they go ram.
Oh, which dog? You told me you walk my dog every day?
A beer shit on the back of me yard.
Where?
Me have to walk and scoop them up.
Best part, me said that man you liar and wicked. Doing how much months now when I make Toby do the runabout?
much months now shit on if me not walk him, how much me have to walk your dog.
Every day I me walk him the 2 away.
You hear where you said the 2 away?
Yes.
Yeah.
You come with me.
That be sure I'm a team
You come with me. You come with me, come walk my dog. That bird have to go. Look at the bird. Look at the bird.
You can't touch my bird.
I prank you.
You can't touch my Terry again, me not care. You can't touch my bird. You can't touch my bird.
Look at the bird, let me see.
Look at the bird, make you see my bird now. Look at my bird that stay right in this. So, want a bigger cage dream where him can fly up and down.
Where?
That me.
Where?
In my living room, so let.
Oh!
Oh, you can't go and oh, you must be bag of boo.
Guys, hope you enjoy this later, yeah?
Yeah, don't.
This is going to start up a whole different argument.
So you see, you're supposed to have vlog, so we can get vlog for go out. And you're there, your boy, you're prank. Why can't you never turn on the camera and make it vlog? Vlog, yeah. Yo, I can't deal with Kerry, Kerry hard.
Guys, pick up on yourself, yeah? Later.
Leave my bird.